Here's an ornate lorry cockbird in with a mustard cockbird, rainbow, just as companions, as we lost the ornate hen bird to a hawk strike a few months ago, and we still haven't been able to get a mate for him. Ornates, absolutely love them. They're their own species of trichoglossus. They're not a subspecies of rainbow or anything, or green nape. And look at that, look, that's a spectacular looking lorikeet in anyone's books, you know, absolutely beautiful, eh? That's a hen Lutino green nape, and she's in with a rainbow lorikeet hen as companion until I get a mate for her. And I'll just come over here and I'll show you Mum and Dad. That's Mum. Where are you, Dad? There he is. They're pure green napes, and that's the baby that they had. So we're very, very happy. He's absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you Mum and Dad again. Oops, where are you? Mum. There's Dad, bloody gone. Up at the box. There we go.